Hi everyone, today we're going to work on some pigeonetics. We're going to be breeding pigeons. We're selectively breeding here. This website may take you quite a while to load, but when you get to the Pigeonetics website, I'm going to ask you to hit the proceed button on the bottom. And then it is going to ask you it's going to explain a little bit about pigeons. You're going to keep hitting that. And this is going to it's going to talk a little bit about the different types of pigeons and the way pigeons are bred. And you'll scroll through all of this. It'll talk about the male pigeons and the female pigeons. Male pigeons have the double Z chromosome, ZZ, and females have a Z and a W. Slightly different than humans, where males are XY and females are XX. This is different. We use the letter Z, and males are homozygous, they have two of the same genes, and females are heterozygous, where they have two different genes. So the next thing it's going to ask you to do is you want to make a female pigeon. So in order to make a female pigeon, you're just going to click on this bottom arrow, and it will bring you to two pigeon parents. And to get their genes, you're just going to click on the male and the female, and then you're going to pick the gene of the pigeon. You're going to pick the gene of the pigeon that you want. So we're looking for a female, so this male will contribute a Z gene, and then obviously we want ZW because we want a female. When you click that, you're going to hit the hatch. And if you are successful, you will hatch a couple of eggs. The more eggs you get, the better. In this case, we should be doing 3 eggs. So in this case, now we're looking for a male pigeon. So we are going to hit the 2 pigeons. We're going to look, and we want 2 Z's. So for the male, just pick either one, doesn't matter. And for the female, obviously we want the Z, and then you're going to hatch. Success, 3 golden eggs. You'll hit continue. And now we're looking at a couple of different combinations of parents. We're going to talk about a couple of different things. So here we're looking at crested or no crested. And this is talking about the feathers on the top of the pigeon. So here it says inherited genes, whether inherited characteristics, whether the pigeon has a crest or not, is the combination of the genes. So you're going to hit the continue button, and we are looking for it says genes pass from parents through eggs and sperm through offspring. You're going to hit continue. 2 copies can be the same or they can be different. This is all stuff we know. The allele combination for a particular gene is called the genotype. The 2 alleles work together, what we see, that's called the phenotype. So our goal here is to make a male bird with no crest. So what you are going to do here, you are going to just scroll down. This is annoying because it's not fully in one screen. I wish they made it so that it was in a screen. So here we have 5 possible parents. We're looking for a male, and we're looking for no crest. If you're unsure of what anything is, you can click right over here and it'll tell you crest or no crest, what those genes are. So I'm just going to pick, all of our males are the same, so it doesn't matter which one that I pick. And then I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to try to look for a female that has no crest. This one also has no crest, and this one has a crest and no crest, so I'm going to pick the one with no crest. This website's a little bit slow. So first we want a male. Male is Z. And then there's a crest gene and a no crest gene. And we can hatch that. That is a male. Let's see. Come on. Hatch. And success. We have we now have a male with no crest. And now we want a crested male. A crested male. That's our goal bird. And it even shows you what that's going to look like. So we're going to, here are our potential parents. You've got 2 males, 2 females. You want the male bird with the crest and the female bird also with a crest. So our goal, and if you just don't remember, you want, it tells you right here, a male, so the Z genes, and we want a crest. So we're going to put that right there and right there, and we will hatch. Excellent. The crest allele is recessive to the no crest allele, so you needed 2 of those genes. Okay, so what I want you to do for the next one, and this is your assignment for today, your goal is a female crested bird. When you're done with that, just take a screenshot, send me the screenshot of your success. So good luck and show me your female crested birds. Excellent.